Number 1. Makita 5007MG Magnesium Circular Saw. If you're in the market for a corded circular saw that offers a perfect balance of power, durability, and precision, then the Makita 5007MG Magnesium Circular Saw is your best choice. With its lightweight magnesium components and powerful 15 AMP motor, this saw delivers unmatched performance on the job site. The built-in LED lights illuminate the line of cut, ensuring increased accuracy and precision during use. This feature is especially helpful in low light conditions, making it easier to see where you're cutting. The large cutting capacity and bevel capacity with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees provide versatility for a variety of cutting applications. Whether you're framing walls or ripping panels, this saw can handle it all with ease. What I love most about the Makita 5007MG is how well balanced it feels in my hands, making it comfortable to use for extended periods of time. Additionally, the dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, resulting in cleaner and more precise cuts. As for what I don't like, I wish the saw came with a carrying case for easier transportation and storage. However, this is a minor inconvenience compared to the overall performance and durability of the saw. In conclusion, the Makita 5007MG Magnesium Circular Saw stands out as the best corded circular saw on the market. For unmatched power, precision, and durability, this saw is a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast.